weekend.
And please enjoy our video.
Have fun! My name is Chef Amal.
And my name is Chef Lakshmi.
Today we're going to make mango peach smoothie delight.
And we have mango, peach, and pineapple.
This is the mix we are using. We are using if you don't have frozen fruits that we have, just add a little ice cubes with the plain fruits. We are using agave instead of honey because honey will stick and it won't mix, but agave does not do the same. This is agave we're using.
And it's healthy.
First, we're going to put the frozen fruits.
And we even have some carrots in the side so we can be healthy. Now,
We're going to put the agave.
now over here we have some water. Half glass, half. Only half. That's enough.
Now, we are going to mix it.
Yeah, good. No. Slick. You see the corner here? Now we are going to put it over here. Here.
This smoothie is so good.
So good.
Do you want to let's read a book while we're drinking. What book? Do you know anything about great white sharks?
No, can you please tell me?
Sure. You can see a three-dimensional look inside a great white shark. Great white sharks have no bones in their bodies, unlike other fish. Instead of bones, they have cartilage, the thing that is found in our nails and our noses. This is what cartilage looks like. A shark has a giant liver compared to the humans. It is full of oil to keep them to breathe. Unlike humans, sharks don't have lungs. They use gills to breathe. This is a picture of shark's liver. Sharks are being hunted down for their oil and for their fins. This is making these sharks very endangered species. The shark, unlike humans, has a sixth sense called the ampullae of Lorenzini. A picture of those is these tiny dots on the shark. It lets them sense things that are from miles away. Although sharks have large, well-developed eyes, they rely less on eyesight and more of an acute sense of smell. For example, great white sharks can follow a faint trail of fish blood over several miles. However, these sharks are among the few that can lift their heads out of the water to peek at their prey. Wow, that's amazing! A great white body is held together by muscles. Powerful tails muscles make up the rear half of the animal, helping the shark travel vast distances. There is a growing market for shark meat. Shark steaks are popular on many items in the restaurant menus. In Britain, the fish and chips is often dogfish shark meat. Shark fin soup are also treasured in Asian delicacy. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time. Don't forget